it down. Yeah. Yo.
I'm trying to keep it rolling, but that gas tank on E. But that ain't gonna stop me and my team. We squad up for squad lunch, then squad out. If they asking about that house party last night, I'm like, I don't know what you talking about. I don't know what you frontin' about. We young, dumb, and reckless. Cheetos for breakfast. It's summer, you ain't got no detention. I push the pencil, don't get offended, cause I don't care. I could barely pay for dinner, let alone pay attention. I forgot to mention the fact that I'm back with a stack, and I'm back with a whip, and you know I got 2 girls in the back. Got the windows down rolling, hit the town patrolling. Curfew's a suggestion, so you know we keep it going like 3 months to do what we wanna. I'm tryna turn up so hard that I still feel it tomorrow. I'm like, right now, I'm right where I wanna be, right where I wanna be. 3 months to do what we wanna. I'm tryna turn up so hard that I still feel it tomorrow. I'm like, right now, I'm right where I wanna be, right where I wanna be. I'm just tryna have fun, don't get hate involved. If they call the cops, then homie, it's a free-for-all. No, I got that 4-door Ford, hopping out like I'm important. Waking up in the morning to 6 missed calls. Said we ballin' on a budget. Why you tryna rush it? This the time of our lives. I'm tryna run it like McGlovin. We Donald Glover, we childish. Thought I should compile this into a song, so that everyone can sing along while poolside tanning. Demanding no more planners, no stupid 6 a.m. Alarm clock like a cannon and no semester test. Or pessimistic teachers tryna make it the best yet. So bump this through your speakers, yeah. Riding through the town, wildin' out. You know I'm feeling fresher than I've ever felt. You know I'm feeling fresher than I've ever, yeah. Let me pick it up and get back to my verse. I'm trying to hold it down for a minute, no decisions, we're villains, I rep that Generation Z. Man, I feel bad for the generation after me. There's no way they topping this and stopping this. I keep copping all the stuff that I don't need. I woke up from last night with a nosebleed and still don't know who hit me, yo. Let me get back to the point, off track, get back to the point. We make noise, stay out late till the grave. We sad boys, I'm rapping for our generation. All this noise that I'm generating, it's gotta have a purpose, right? All these summer nights are feeling worth it. It's the time that we can mess up, even if we don't deserve it, yeah. 3 months to do what we wanna. I'm tryna turn up so hard that I still feel it tomorrow. I'm like, right now, I'm right where I wanna be, right where I wanna be. 3 months to do what we wanna. I'm tryna turn up so hard that I still feel it tomorrow. I'm like, right now, I'm right where I wanna be, right where I wanna be. Yo, you do realize it's summer now, right?
Yeah.
Alright, sweet.